Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be going to the unboxing and the review of these Sport 162 earphones. And guys, these earphones are actually kind of a budget earphones that comes in rupees 500, and they are indirect competitors of the Jbl C50Hi. So guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, we have some references like extra bass, angled 3.5 headphone plug and all that stuff. So guys, let me just quickly unbox it and let's see what are the things that we get in the box. So this is the these are the earphones itself. The first thing first, let me just take them out. And guys, if you want to buy these earphones, then I have the link in the description, so you can buy from that link. And this is some leaflets and the extra ear tips, all that stuff. So guys, these are the earphones itself. And if I talk about the looks of these earphones, then guys, I have to say that in terms of looks, they actually looks pretty good. They have this weird design that actually looks pretty good. And we also have that angular 3.5 headphone plug, so it's not straight, so that's a good thing. It's angular, so it's much safe. So yeah, that's nice. And in terms of the cable quality, guys, I haven't expected this much good cable quality, but it comes with this braided cable, so that's nice. And it's guys, honestly, it's pretty rare to see these braided cables in this price range, but yeah, with Sport 162 we are getting this braided cable, so that's actually pretty nice. So you don't have to worry about the cable quality. And this is the microphone module that we have. It's totally made up of plastic. Yeah, obviously, why not, because the price is actually pretty aggressive. So yeah, and in terms of the microphone quality, guys, the microphone quality is just average. Do not expect the high quality audio quality, high quality sound or anything like that. Like microphone quality is just average. So guys, if I talk about the sound quality of these earphones, then guys, I have to say the sound quality is actually pretty good. I haven't expected this much good sound quality, guys, but the sound quality is actually pretty good. The lows and mids are actually kind of balanced, and the basses, guys, a little bit increased, and I think most of the people like that. So if you are a bass head or something like that, then they have a really nice bass. It's not like it's just the vocals are not that clear because of the bass. The bass is actually pretty balanced, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, so guys, the sound signature is actually pretty similar to the C50Hi. But guys, if you want earphones under rupees 500, then go for the Sport 162, just because of the all build and the cable quality that you are getting in this price range is actually pretty good. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And yeah, goodbye, see you later.